Well, our observation while forming this organization was that there are various groups and organizations in the area which are exclusively working to promote classical dance and music, Indian languages, Indian scriptures, Vastu and yoga. There are many organizations utilizing the Indian art in the form of music and dance to mobilize funds for their specific needs. Most of these organizations either have events with celebrities or local talent, but it's very rare that the mission of the organization is to promote talented artists within the community to come up as rising stars. This is what is unique about ITTF. We also know that there are several programs like American Idol and America's Got Talent. These shows demonstrate the power of promoting the talent of everyday people, those who otherwise would not have had the opportunity. If these programs are needed, then there is a need for ITTF also.
चबारी है, आपका ऐसा नहीं लगता जैसे स्टेज पे आग लग गई हो थोड़ी देर के लिए? तो
चिंगारी कोई धड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए।
यादें, ऑनरिंग हीरोज। आपने कुछ भी किया खुद के लिए नहीं, ना आपने ये सोचा ये मेरे लिए क्या है और लोगों का सोचा, हो गए ना आप हीरो। वैसे ही ITTF ने कई सारे हीरो को आज सम्मानित करने के लिए यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया है, वो चाहे सोशल वर्क हो, स्टडीज हो, एंटरटेनमेंट हो, entrepreneurship ho, right Nina? And Anurag School, which is planning to be public also in India.
Express enough how important their contribution is to making shows like this happen. DJ Kali, and he happens to be a cultural aficionado. And watch for him in November because he will be running for town council. Dr. Nagarjuna's Mrs. Padmayera. Welcome. Mr. Ravi Reddy. Mrs. Bruna Shri. And Gauri Singh. Oh, there she is. Great. So at this time, I would like to hand it over to Rinku Bhattacharya Das, as she will announce our artists, and they will be honored by our presenters here. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to honor the artists definitely, and I would call upon stage Anaga Sudama, our singer for tonight. Please give a big round of applause for her. She also danced today, and she also did a bit of anchoring. Anamika, please come on stage. Please keep clapping while there is some drummers. Anju Ashley, I would request Anju to come over stage. She danced beautifully too. Please give a big round of applause. Bethany Mickles. Bethany, I would request you to come over to the stage. Okay. And I would request artists to come to the center and receive the awards. Bhanu Garimala, singer of tonight. Kelly Bainitsky, into dance. Kelly, please come over. Please keep clapping. Krutika Pillai for dance. Okay, Kuldeep for dance. Maha Manikam for singing. Maha, please come over to the center of the stage. Mahesh Bhire. Ming Jake Moon for dance. Ming, come over to the center of the stage. Prasad Kumaraju for singing. Prasad, Ramya Sundarasan. Ravi Bhimarao. Ravi ji. Suri Guli Miri. Suri ji. Venu Gopal Gopi for dance. And last but not the least, I would like to call upon stage Viral Trivedi, our MC tonight, and Dr. Mrinal K. Das. Both the actors did a wonderful job, I believe. A big round of applause for all the artists on stage for making this event so successful. I hope you all enjoyed the show. And one more applause for the audience, definitely. You have been a wonderful audience, and we appreciate you, coming over here and encouraging all these artists on the stage to their present. And I hope you all enjoyed the show as we did organizing the show for you all. Thank you so much.
చాలా బాగా చేశారు. గుడ్ జాబ్ గుడ్ జాబ్ గుడ్ జాబ్ గైస్.